So this white part on the outside here is the sclera, which is like the extension of the dura mater. It's kind of hard, protects the eye. And then here, the little nub that comes off the back of the eye is the optic nerve, which goes back to the act of chiasm. The nictitating membrane is this part in here, the third eyelid. Or no, is it this one?
Yeah, I thought that was that one.
Yeah, it's this one because it goes horizontally across. So it's this here is the third eyelid. We do have eyelashes.
Yours look like an albino.
Is it this one right here?
Is what?
The nictitating membrane?
Yes.
Okay, and it goes that way.
Yep.
And then this is the optic nerve.
No, that's muscle.
Oh. Is this the nerve? No, that's the eyelash. Where's the nerve?
Okay, turn yours over. It's gonna be a round circle. Perfectly round.
This
yep.
one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought it was a nub that came off the back of the...
Yeah, like I said, with these you're not
Sometimes.
gonna see it all the way.
Yeah.
So yours, like mine,
But
is
in the
hanging out
test?
right there.
Okay.
Then the test is gonna be like that.
That's the optic nerve. Right there. Perfectly round circle on the back of the eyelid.
Yep. And when you cut off
Okay.
all of the sclera, you're gonna cut around the nerve so you can expose it better.
Okay.
Cornea?
Is the clear, like the cloudy cover
Yep.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
So now do we cut the sclera off?
Yep, you can start cutting. Yeah, if you guys want to start cutting, ones that I've already seen, cut off all the sclera eyelid, and you can squeeze the eye, and it's going to drain.
The
And you will have
conjunctiva
black stuff in it.
is the brown ring around the iris.
If nothing's coming out, try poking it more than once.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And then the conjunctiva we have to point.
And that's the
pretty good
cornea.
for where you are, just,
What do we have
I
so
think.
far?
yeah, perfect.
Okay, so the anterior part of the eyeball, these parts out here,
It has texture.
the texture are the ciliary bodies,
Mm-hmm.
and then further in where it's smoother but still colored and dark
Okay,
is
we're
the
gonna do
iris,
the anterior portion first.
and then I don't know if that's the lens or the ciliary body.
So set the posterior.
The ciliary body is the one on the texture.
Oh, right, the ciliary body's out here.
Mm-hmm. So that might be the
That
lens.
might be the
Now, if
lens.
you look anteriorly
And the liquid
through
inside
the
of it?
eye, we're going to label the ciliary bodies versus the pupil.
Oh, that might be the.
The pupil here.
No, I thought that was the iris.
I thought so too.
Or the iris, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, getting everybody confused.
And the black
So you do the
liquid that
cartoon
came
version.
off inside of it was the aquid. No, aqueous humor.
Aqueous humor
Ciliary
is
And
all
you can
this
see-
stuff
more texturized.
Yeah, the
The
liquid.
Around
pupil,
here.
or the iris.
That's the black part.
The
This part
iris
right
is
here.
gonna sit a little further
It's a little
anterior.
jellyish.
It's almost like it takes a small step downward.
And that's the
and
viscerous
it's gonna be
humor.
smoother.
So ciliary bodies are along the outside, textured, and then the iris is closer in and is smoother. Here.
This is cut in half. So this one is the
Anterior or the posterior side, the
where it
back
has
side.
the retina
Mhm.
in the back of it.
This is the back of the eyeball, and this is the front of the eyeball. So it's underneath of the cornea.
And the front of it is the conjunctivitis.
Cool. Okay, so on the outside is the ciliary bodies, the black textured, and then closer in, that's smooth, is the iris, and then inside of the iris is the cornea. Right there. And then this is the lens. Here. Cool. Right here. This is from the frontal view of the eye, cut off the cornea, and underneath this is the iris, the orange part. So you can see it from two different sides.
We can put in the light more.
Where's the light?
And you can see how the pupil and the sheath have a weird shape to it. Yeah, it's more
Yeah.
rectangular.
So the orange part
Got yours?
Right here.
is the lens.
No, it's the iris.
Oh yeah, that's the iris. Yeah.
It's the iris from underneath the cornea, from the frontal view, versus from the back where it's smoother inside of the ciliary bodies.
Yep.
This is the blob that fell off of this. I think this is the
Okay, so be able to locate the iris from either direction.
It's tapetum lucidum. This one. Because like
Yeah.
it says it's a blue-green or different.
Be able to locate it either this way,
It looks really awesome.
from the anterior looking outward, or
Good.
from the view you just cut off, like looking at a person, or the sheep in this case. Either direction is fair game. Alright, the posterior part of your eye. The easiest way to do this is
To open.
and you said to just push.
Can you see him?
Hold on.
Cut around the lens.
This is the lens. If you crack it open, it has all of the fibrous
Yeah, just pull it out.
tissues
Yeah, there it is.
in there. All the little white,
Oh, that's so cool.
little hairy
Like a skittle.
things.
Haven't seen white skittles.
And before it was just the big ball in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Good.
We like ruined everything. What happened to the gel? Gel's like still there.
Had to get the lens out of the gel.
Okay, now in the back of your eye, you should have remaining that cream color. It looks. Yep.
Right there.
So where it all crinkles up.
It all comes together. We're all. That's the blind spot right there.
And the white is the retina.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Is it right here?
Yep. Yep.
So if you take and you scrape the retina all out, you can. It hangs, and you can see how it's attached in just one place.
You can remove it so that you can expose the choroid and the tapetum lucidum.
And then we'll remove it.
Tapetum lucidum. I say tapetum because that's how it's spelled, and I can't spell it. Okay, choroid being the black area, the tapetum lucidum being that blue strip.
Mm. You can see it already.
Yeah. There we go. So the black part.
You put in the light.
The black part
Yep.
is which one?
It's the C one. Choroid
And this one,
is the tapetum lucidum.
Yep.
the color part.
Yep.
It's supposed to be blue-green.
Mm-hmm. So this one is the choroid,
Mhm.
and this is the tapetum.
Mhm.
What's this?
More choroid.
More choroid.
Yep.
Okay.